Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It opens door yet closes hearts. It joins the whole yet pulls apart. A blessing bright, a burden near. The internet both hope and fear. Respected teachers and my dear fellows, good morning and assalamu alaikum to all of you. Mr. President, there are moments in history when a single invention changed the very rhythm of human life. The internet is one such invention, a creation that has woven itself into the very fabric of our existence. It is both a blessing and a curse, both a bridge and a barrier, both a solution and a new set of problems. Mr. President, on one hand, internet has placed the treasure of knowledge at our fingertips. It has erased the boundaries of distance and time. A farmer in a remote area can learn new methods of cultivation. A doctor can treat a patient across oceans, and a student can explore libraries larger than imagination. The world has truly become a global village. Yet on the other hand, this very marvel has changed us in unseen ways. Where it connects hearts, it also isolates souls. Families sit together but remain silent, each lost in the glow of a separate screen. Truth has become blurred, and our attention, the most precious currency of the mind, is stolen constantly by endless notifications. What was meant to liberate us often enslaves us instead. Mr. President, it connects the world, yet disconnects the families. It gives us knowledge, yet steals our wisdom. It spreads truth, yet multiplies lies. It brings people closer, yet keeps heart apart. The audience, internet is like a fire. It can light the dark night, but can also burn down the bright home. The choice rests not in the invention, but in the wisdom of the one who made it. Therefore, let us not curse the internet. Let's treat it as a tool of immense power to be used with balance, with purpose, and with responsibilities. Because in its judicious use lies our progress, and its misuse lies our downfall. The net is a lamp or fire untamed, a gift to the wise, to the careless a blame. It lifts us higher or pulls us low. Its light or its shadow depends how we go. Thank you. Wassalam.